Request issue number 2. TITO validation numbers added to subtotal by bag number. As you can see on the 2 receipts from the SB3000 journal printer, this receipt on the left has no bag number with the total number of tickets in cash counted plus the 11 18-digit validation numbers by separate count, but does not have them in the grand total when printed. With the bag number on, I get the subtotal by bag and the ticket count with no validation numbers and no validation numbers in the grand total. We do not wish to have the grand total include all validation numbers, only on the subtotal. I will demonstrate this on the counter using 2 cash cans from my machines. A cash can and a bag are interchangeable. We will start with the bag off, and I'll show you the receipt. With the first can/bag, I place in the counter. It counts the tickets and the bills, total of 26 units, $15. I will accept and print, and as you see, it prints the cash total, the ticket count, and the 18-digit validation numbers. We will remove that and get the second can bag information, place that in the counter. It will count $15 in bills and $10 in tickets. I will press accept and print, and it will print the second subtotal with the 5 tickets. I will then press menu, grand total, print and clear, and press print and clear. It will give me a subtotal or grand total with no validation numbers printed below the grand total, which is what I want. I don't want 18-digit validation numbers under the grand total. Now if I switch over and change from off to bag, I will start with machine 100, bag number 100. I've placed bag number 100, can number 100 in the counter. Let it count. You can see 26 total count, $15, 11 bills. I press accept. It asks me if I want to print. I print a subtotal by can with no 18-digit validation numbers. This is where I want the 18-digit validation numbers with the bag number subtotal. I go ahead and change the can/bag number to the next machine. Press OK. Remove. Place the second bag can cash tickets in the machine. It counts 10 tickets and 15 bills. Press accept. Press print. I would then proceed on to the next can. Okay. On the subtotal by can, you can see the next can, and still yet no 18-digit validation numbers below. If If I press the menu to go to grand total, to print the grand total, I get my grand total by can totals, but I have no validation numbers, which I do not want validation numbers after the grand total, only by bag. So in summary, as you can see, with the bag count off, I can get validation numbers by subtotal. They do not print after the grand total. But with bag count on, I get no validation numbers after each subtotal and not after grand total. Again, remember, I only want ticket numbers or validation numbers after subtotal by bag.